Hello, good morning. In this video, the heading is when you lose something, nature gives a higher thing. Only then we will see what it is. So it means that if you try for a better condition, because people always try for higher and higher situations, things. So that is the nature's rule. But in nature, both situations can't exist together. This we forget. We think that we should have the old situation for which we are familiar. We want familiar. The subconscious mind needs familiarity. So it repeatedly what we give it, that takes. So it wants to keep it. So subconscious mind is a repetition. What you say to subconscious mind about yourself is coming as your life. So suppose you want a better thing, a big thing, big situation, big facilities, rich, a pleasant life. You see, for your each one, for me and for you, each individual, this thing is unique. That is made in you. But what we try to do is previously, when I was young, about 25 years, so I get information from the magazines, etc., books. So we try to imitate somebody who is very having a good life, according to we see some film stars, some personalities in the society. So we want to become like them. So that's why when the child, in our times, always when the visitors come, the child comes there and sings a song. So the visitor asks, what are you going to become? A doctor, engineer, or something else? So a bigger situation is introduced into the mind of this child by the visitors. So a better situation. We see the child not as always a child, but the child will become somebody, a doctor, engineer, a leader, something good for somebody. So that's our opinion of that. We take that child or a young person as a somebody who is going to become something bigger, not at that situation. Our mind does not count that. So always the new situation is their growth. So when we get about 35 years, we are busy with achieving in the world something, getting an income, proving ourselves, releasing our talents, and using it for good of the society and getting money in return. Then we think of getting setting up a family, then other next generation, and bringing them up. We forget everything else till it is completed. But one thing we should remember that that's our preoccupation. Always we think that and we complete that somehow. Somehow it is completed. All people are like that. But in nature, when we want something and we work for it, we again and again tell ourselves that you are going to get it, you are going to get it. So if there's a feeling comes in you that you are going to get it, then you are going to get it. So you are prepared. You have got all the preparation for that. You get all the information, all the details, and exactly know what you want in your life. Just like we are drawing a picture on a canvas or paper, we have to have a good idea what it is to be. Just like we are taught to draw pictures only, trained, and not trained to make our lives. So in this new era, we can just try to do that. Just like drawing a picture, we decide and do that, and our life will be that. Try it. Don't believe what you hear in a video, or try it in your experience, and it will be mostly it will be proved true if you believe in it. So one thing I found that a new opportunity knocks just within about 3 or 4 hours. The new opportunity invariably comes. Or sometimes it may take 2 or 3 days. We decide and do something for a new situation. And within 3 days it will come. 3 days only maximum. The opportunity will come, provided you are the pitching person for that new situation. It will come. So the thing is, when you lose something, you get a new position. Because two things cannot exist in the earth. Your old position, suppose you are in a second standard, that is over, and then you go to third standard. You forget about studying in the second standard. Then only you are that third standard. So the letting, releasing the past things and replacing it with more details, and again and again demanding to yourself to be perfect in that, then it comes. It is just like something somebody says, you catch hold of something. Suppose you are a monkey is trying to jump to another branch of a tree. So suppose he does not release this hand on the old branch, he cannot go. It's like a circus trapeze man. He swings and the appropriate time comes and he releases the old bar, horizontal bar, and catches the new bar. Then only trapeze goes to a new situation. And release the, suppose he does not release, the monkey does not release the old one, and the circus man does not release the old trapeze, then what will happen? He will fall down onto the net. Just like that. So the two situations cannot occur. So what most 99% of the people fail in life, according to me, my observation, is because they don't want to, they are very comfortable in that old situation, doing things over and over again. Subconscious mind takes over. So they have no effort. Years and years they do the same thing, go to the office, 9 a.m., come 5 p.m. and Sunday off. Up to 55 years they do that. So that is easy. The repetition makes subconscious mind takes over, and they have no effort, no energy spent. It goes on. But the only thing is that they will be the same person. So that's why everybody can become new things. More and more efficient people can become. That's why release the old thing, or when you lose the old thing, at least fully or partially, then the new thing comes. That's according to me what is happening in nature. Okay, have a good day.